Welcome to day 3 of your 15-day emotional reset journey. Today, we talk about one of the deepest wounds, the pain that comes from relationships. Yes, broken trust, words that cut deep, people who walked away, memories that still haunt us. All of this leaves scars on the heart. But listen carefully. Your heart deserves peace. Your heart deserves love. And most importantly, your heart deserves healing. Today, we practice a gentle yet powerful exercise called forgive and release. Sit quietly. Close your eyes. Think of the person or the memory that still hurts. Take a deep breath and whisper softly, I release you. I forgive you. I choose my peace over my pain. Remember, forgiveness is not about the other person. It is about you. It's about freeing yourself from the chains of the past. It's about no longer allowing that wound to control your present. You are not weak when you forgive. You are stronger than ever, because only the strongest souls can let go and still choose love. Day 3 is about choosing yourself, choosing to rebuild trust, choosing to allow love again, and choosing peace over pain. Now, here is your surprise activity. Write down one relationship wound you are still holding on to. Then, write these words under it. I set you free. I choose peace. Burn it, tear it, or simply let it go. This is your act of emotional courage. Comment below. Type, I choose peace. Let the world know you are reclaiming your heart. Very soon on day 4, we go deeper into your hidden fears and learn how to break them step by step. Repeat after me. I release my past. I forgive. I heal. I choose peace. Say it with conviction. Feel your heart glow again. See you soon, lovely hearts. Succeeding to forgive is first step of execution of your peace. Believe me, everything else is just noise. Take care.